Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we can see, in this video we are learning how to delete audio from a video. You can see here, this is my video clip and it is, I can see there is video and audio. Simply you can remove this audio by clicking this link, okay. You can see here, linked section. Also you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift L, okay. Simply click here, then click here, then click here. Now it is separated, okay. You can see here, if you turn on, you click here, two of them are selected, there is no single selections. But if you click here, it is turned off. Now you can select individually video or audio. Then you can simply press the delete button or right click, then select deleted. So that's gone. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily delete uh, audio from video or video from audio. You can do whatever you want. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of PC or Android or iPhone or Mac, any tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch or understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.